Let's flip back to Method, click Connect with Xora, Step 1, Get Xora Time, and enter March 10th at 7 a.m. for the start of the day to today the 17th. Check off the mapped employee, Ron Watson, and click Get Xora Time. The Method Xora Connector window appears, and we can see that there are new job times and shift times added. Now we'll click Close and select the Step 2 Send to QuickBooks tab. Again, we need to make sure we have the proper date range entered, the 10th to the 17th, and when we click Refresh, the times will appear. If we click Go To beside one of the times, we can see that the default QuickBooks items appear. Click Save and Close. You will notice that currently there are numbers showing where a customer name should be. Click on the number, and the Custom Job Mapping window will appear. Choose a customer from the drop-down list, and we'll enter General Labor in the job description. Now we'll click Save, and you'll notice that the mapping appears in the grid. You'll want to repeat this process for all of your jobs showing customers as numbers so that they're updated with the real customer name. It is also important to point out that jobs have numbers or customer names associated with them, and shifts do not. Next, we'll want to send our times to QuickBooks. In order to do so, click on the Send All to QuickBooks button. Once the times are sent successfully, a message will appear that the records have been sent. Click Close. Next, we'll click on the Time Tracking tab link, and as you can see, the times have appeared. Now let's open the QuickBooks window, go into the Employee Center, select Ron Watson, and go into Enter Time, Use Weekly Timesheet, and here we can see all the time synced over from the Xora connector into these two weekly timesheets. Thank you for watching the Xora Connector movie. If you have any questions, please post them on the forum and the Method team will be happy to assist you.